Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the H11 Smartwatch. On our previous video, we have a demo for its message notification feature. On this video, we are going to focus on the Bluetooth call. Let's see if we can add phone numbers, dial calls, receive calls, as well as check out the call history. So if you are interested to know more about the H11 smartwatch, particularly the Bluetooth call, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the Bluetooth call feature of the smartwatch. So we have here the dial. So we have the contacts, okay? We haven't added any contacts yet. We have the call history and the phone. Remember, we also have a push notifications here. But we are going to focus on the call or the Bluetooth call feature. So let's open the app. We are already paired with the Support App Access Fit. So as you can see here, we already checked it earlier. We have activated the call reminder. I guess that's the only settings for the Bluetooth call here. And of course the phone book. So let's add one. Import. So we'll add this number as well as the number of the other phone here. Then refresh. Synchronizing contacts. As you can see here, it is adding contacts in our smartwatch. Let's double check. We have the dials and we have the contacts here. Seems like everything is set for our H11 smartwatch. Let's start and have a demo of the Bluetooth call feature. So we have here our other smartphone. So let's try to call the number for the smartwatch. So it is Cindy. Let's call. Okay, it's dialing the number. And as you can see here, we do have the incoming call. So you have an option here to decline or answer. In our case, we will decline it. Okay, the next, so it works. You can answer here or you can decline the calls. Next, let's try the contacts. So we'll call the number Sam. Let's see if we can receive it here. It's calling the number. As you can see, we do have the name here, and it is dialing the number here. Okay, and call. So as you can see, the phone book works for our H11 smartwatch. Let's see the call history. We have the call history here. Next, let's try the dial pad. Okay, so let's dial the number of Sam. 0969 69 and 61 58 3 9 and 9. Again, 0969 61 583 and 99. It's now calling. Let's see if we can receive it here. And as you can see here, someone's calling. Okay, we will decline. So it works for our dial pad for the H11 smartwatch. Again, the phone book works, the dial pad, and we have the call history. Okay, so I guess the only thing that we did not try yet is answering the call. So let's try to answer the call here on the smartwatch. So let's dial the number, and of course let's answer the call again. Let's call Cindy. Recent. Yeah, I have Cindy here. Let's try to call. And someone's calling, so let's answer the call. Hello. So there's a volume adjustment. Hello. I guess the Bluetooth call is working. Bye. And call. Okay, so seems like the speaker is okay. It's not that loud, but I guess it's audible. You can hear it properly. And seems like there's no quick reply option for the call. You can deny calls or answer the call for our H11 smartwatch. Got the basics. It got contacts, dial pad, and call history. So that's it for our demo of the Bluetooth call feature of the H11 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.